Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem based on the concepts of limit. So we have to find the coordinates of point on the curve f at x equals 3x squared minus 4x, where the tangent is parallel to the line y equals 8x. Parallel lines have the same slope. So the first step is to find the slope of this given line. So as you may know, the general equation of a linear function or a straight line is y equals mx plus b. And the slope of the line is represented by m, the coefficient of the x term. Now in this given equation, the coefficient of the x term is 8. So that means the slope of this line is 8. And since the tangent is parallel to this line, so that means the slope of the tangent should be 8. So now we can write a formula for calculating the slope using the difference quotient expression. So the formula is m equals limit h approaches 0 and then f at a plus h minus f at a over h. We have to find this a value. So in this case, a is the unknown we have to solve for. Now we can find out what the expressions for f at a plus h and f at a are. So the given function is f at x equals 3x squared minus 4x. So f at a will be equal to 3a squared minus 4a, and then f at a plus h will be equal to 3 times a plus h parentheses squared minus 4 times a plus h. Now we can simplify this expression. So f at a plus h, so we can distribute the square on a plus h. So we can write out a plus h twice. So a plus h times a plus h. And now in the second parentheses, we can distribute the 4. So we get negative 4a minus 4h. Now we can distribute the terms in these two parentheses. So we can use the FOIL method. So a times a, then a times h, then h times a, and then h times h. So we get 3 parentheses a squared plus ah plus ah plus h squared minus 4a minus 4h. And now we can distribute the 3 into the parentheses, and in the parentheses we have like terms ah and ah, which is 2ah. So when we distribute the 3, we get 3a squared plus 6ah, because 2ah times 3 will be 6ah plus 3h squared minus 4a minus 4h. So this is the expression for f at a plus h. Now we can sub in these values in this limit formula. So we figured out that the slope of the tangent should be 8. So on the left side we can input 8 equals limit h approaches 0. So f at a plus h is 3a squared plus 6ah plus 3h squared minus 4a minus 4, and then minus f at a is equal to, so we can put that in parentheses, 3a squared minus 4a over h. Now we can simplify this expression by getting rid of these parentheses. We have to distribute the negative into the parentheses, so the sign of the terms in the parentheses will change. So we get 8 equals limit h approaches 0. So we get 3a squared plus 6ah plus 3h square minus 4a minus 4h, and then minus 3a square, and then plus 4a over h. Now we can cancel out like terms. So 3a square and negative 3a square will cancel each other out. Negative 4a and positive 4a will cancel each other out. So we get 8 equals limit h approaches 0. So now we're left with 6ah plus 3h square minus 4h over h. Now we cannot apply the limit to this expression because h is in the denominator. So if we sub in h as 0, the denominator will become 0 and this expression will become undefined. So we have to figure out a way to get rid of this h in the denominator, and for that we'll do common factoring in the numerator. So in the numerator we can factor out an h. So we get h and then parentheses 6a plus 3h minus 4 over h. Now we can cancel out these h's and we can apply the limit. So we sub in h as 0. So we get 6a plus 3 times 0 minus 4. So this is the equation we have to solve to find the value of a. So we know 3 times 0 will be 0. So we get 8 equals 6a plus 0 minus 4. So it changes to 8 equals 6a minus 4. And now we add 4 to both sides. So the 4's on the right side cancel each other out. So we get 12 equals 6a. And now we divide both sides by 6. So we get a equals 2. This is the x-coordinate of the point at which the slope of the tangent is 8. Now we also have to find the y-coordinate because in the problem it states we have to find the coordinates of the point. So now we'll sub in this x value in this given function. So basically we have to solve for f at 2, which is equal to then 3 times 2 square minus 4 times 2. So we get f at 2 equals 3 times 4 minus 8. And now we do f at 2 equals 12 minus 8. So f at 2 is equal to 4. So that means the coordinates of the point where the tangent has a slope of 8 is 2, 4. So this should be the final answer for this problem. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.